In this class, we're going to look at the first law of indices. What is the law all about? The law says that if you have, for instance, a raised to power 2, you agree with me is a multiplied by a. Okay? If you have a raised to power 6, you agree with me is a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now, the law is saying, if you are asked to do a raised to power 2 multiplied by a raised to power 6, all you have to do, instead of expressing them like this, okay, instead of expressing them like this, simply do a raised to power 2 plus 6. That is, if you see multiplication and if the base are the same, okay, the base must be the same. As long as the base are the same, simply add this and this together to have a raised to power 8. And if you go ahead now, say, okay, no, I want to do it myself. I want to be stubborn. I don't want to follow this rule. You can go ahead. That is to say, a raised to power 2 multiplied by a raised to power 6 is equals to, you agree with me, you're going to have the first one for this is a multiplied by a. That is just 2. Then we put this one. Then this one, there are 6. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's put multiplication in between them. Okay? If you want to count now, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8 here. So you can see the same result. You that follow this method, you will sleep. If I give you something like this, say a raised to power 100 multiplied by a raised to power, let's say 2650. The guy that understands the rule will simply do a 100 plus 2650, and we give you a raised to power 2750. You that want to follow this method, you will write this for the next 1 year and this for the next 10 years. Why the guy that follow this method working on the other things. So it is good to follow this rule that says all you have to do, look at it very well. Are the base the same? Yes. If they are the same, don't waste your time. As long as it's multiplication that is between them, simply what? Add the power together. Now, let's look at some instances. Look at this one. We are asked to solve this. If you are to solve this, the base are the same, and there is multiplication here. All you have to do is to say 3 plus 7, which is equals to 2 raised to power 10. Okay? We are asked to solve this too, using the first law of indices. Okay? All you have to do, are the base the same? The base are the same. That is 5. What about the operator? The operator is multiplication. Okay? It means you can simply add this one to have 5 raised to power 13. Okay? This one too. The base are the same, then put one base. It means this group, they want to come together. It's like two different groups. They want to come together as a family. If you want to come together, one of them should carry the guys at the top. Okay? So this guy and this guy will come together, but you have to add them together. Because here, there's multiplication. And you agree with me? If I want to change this direction a little, I will just do this. They are friends. So you use addition to add their children together. One of the parents should carry the two of them. That is to say now, 10 raised to power 12. Look at this one. It said 2b raised to power 3 multiplied by 5b raised to power 4. No issue. You agree with me that this is simply 2 multiplied by b raised to power 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by b raised to power 4. Okay? Now, you agree with me that this is a number, this is a number. Numbers should come together. Numbers are friends. They should come together. Okay? So therefore, numbers and numbers should come together, while those b's should also go to one place. Together. What is this? This is 10 multiplied by this and this. They have the same base. Take one of them. What is separating them before? Times. They want to come together and write? Yes. Now use addition to make them come together. That is 3 plus 4. This equals to 10 multiplied by B. This plus this is what? 7. You agree with me that I can express this as this. That is, we know that here there's invisible multiplication between this 10 and B. Okay? Hope you understand this first law of indices. Do not forget to follow me, subscribe. In case you need a private lecture, let me know. I can teach you from here all over the world. Thank you.